Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. I greet you all. My name is Raja Mitorik. Today, this evening, me and my group will be presenting our slide, which is Introduction to Cloud Computing. And the code for this subject is DFS 40253. So this is the lecturer that is responsible for us. This is Pusharapan Nur Fahima, and the students that are responsible for making this slide happen is Raja Mitorik, which is myself, and me and my other two colleagues, which is Muhammad Faiz Nur and Muhammad Nazirul. So the first slide will be presented by Muhammad Nazirul for the introduction slide.
So, for introduction to cloud computing, it is simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing service that include server, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence. It's over the internet, the cloud, to offer faster innovation, flexible resource, and economics of scale. You typically pay only for cloud service you use, helping you lower your operating costs, run your infrastructure more efficiently, and scale as your business need change. Next is benefit of cloud computing. For the first is cost. It eliminates the capital of buying hardware and software and setting up and running on site data centers. Uh, uh, and then the speed. Most cloud computing service provide self-service and on demand. So even even vast amount of computing resource can be provisioned in minutes, giving business a lot of flexibility and taking the pressure off. The third, reliability. Cloud computing makes data backup, disaster recovery, and business continuity easier and less expensive because data can be mirrored at multiple redundant sites on the cloud providers network. Lastly, security. Many cloud provide offer a broad set of policies, technologies, and control that strengthen your security posture overall, helping protect your data apps and infrastructure from potential threats.
Thank you, Nazirul. So the next
Okay.
slide will be presented by Faiz.
Type of cloud computing. Firstly, public cloud. Public cloud are owned and operated by a third-party cloud service provider, which deliver their computing resource, like server and storage, over the internet, which a public cloud, all hardware, software, and other supporting infrastructure is owned and managed by the cloud provider. Next is private clouds. A private cloud refers to cloud computing resource and used exclusively by a single business or organization. A private cloud can be physically located on the company on-site data center. Some companies also pay third-party service provider to host their private cloud. After that is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud combine public and private cloud, bound together by technology that allow data and application to be shared between them. By allowing data and application to move between private and public cloud, a hybrid cloud gives your business greater flexibility, more development options, and help optimize your existing infrastructure, security, and compliance.
Thank you, Faiz. So uh, I will be demonstrating this slide. So, hi, my name is Raja. So, types of cloud services. Most cloud computing services fall into four broad categories: infrastructure as a service, which is LaaS; platform as a service, PaaS; serverless and software as a service, SaaS. These are sometimes called cloud computing stack because they build on top of one another. Knowing what they are and how they are different makes it easier to accomplish your business goals. So, infrastructure as a service. the most basic category of cloud computing services. With LaaS, you rent IT infrastructure, servers and virtual machines, VMs, storage network operating system from a cloud provider on a pay-as-you-go basis. Platform as a server, PaaS. Platform as a service refers to cloud computing services that supply an on-demand environment for developing, testing, delivering, and managing software applications. PaaS is designed to make it easier for developers to quickly create web or mobile apps without worrying about setting up or managing the underlying infrastructure of server, storage network, and databases needed for development. Serverless computing. Overlapping with PaaS, serverless computing focuses on building app functionality without spending time continually managing servers and infrastructure required to do so. The cloud provider handles the setup, capacity planning, and server management for you. Serverless architecture are highly scalable and event-driven, all using resources when a specific function or trigger occurs. Software as a service, SaaS. Software as a service is a method for delivering software applications over the internet on demand and typically on a subscription basis. With SaaS, cloud providers host and manage the software application and underlying infrastructure and handle any maintenance like software upgrades and security patching. Users connect to the application over the internet, usually with a web browser on their phone, tablet or PC. Now, the uses of cloud computing. There are 5 uses of cloud computing, which is to create cloud native application. Second is to store, backup and recover data. Third is to stream audio and video. Fourth is test and build application. And fifth is to analyze data. That is all from our group. That's the end for our slide today. So I hope you guys enjoy the slide earlier, and we thank you for your time for us. My name is Raja Torik. On behalf of my colleagues, we thank you for your time.